Ka National People's Party NPP kalakdaw bakamdan satya kano jingtmu iatreilang bat kiwei pat ki party na kabenta ke election shiteng samay jong kasulong Lok Sabha bat kandang raya ukertong na kabenta kani ke election. Hoot pilayo iya kasan perthai ha Meghalaya ngimdan ya kano iatreilang bat kiwei pat ki party. Haduk mentahi ngindang raya ukertong na kabenta ke election shiteng samay ong working president ke NPP ubadeiru Menteri Sorkar Marcus and Marak habakran syakilat pthai kubor ha ka khandai trik yayong ha ka bayade berkajingjit ya ukertong Raja Sabha Marcus ulaong shen ngin sa shim ya karai bat yano ban penyeng ngin sa ai ya karai halor ka election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHATC Marcus ulaong baka sorkar kala penjalan ya kajing trekam jong ka ying dorbar sa Henry Ubnai kabala ailat ban shimi ke sinjam badan kam haswa ban penlong ya ke election habakali halor ke election ha Assam Marcus ulaong baka party kadan ya kajing kermen bakan la ban pli account ha kan ka jela.
Well, you have seen Meghalaya politics, We don't have pre-poll alliances so far. So here, we are yet to decide the candidates in Shillong Lok Sabha by-elections. But I don't know what will be the outcome of our decisions. But as of other parties, it is up to them to decide whom to give, whom to fill. Very shortly, we will be taking the decisions, and whom to fill, we will decide. Well, as you are aware, we have extended the term for 6 months. So within these 6 months, if required interventions or required actions which need to be taken by the district councils based on the demands of the people, I think we'll be able to hold the elections. No, only two. One withdrawn, Mankacha withdrawn. So it's only in Hablong and then Bokochaiga. Let's see. We are hoping to get a positive response there. Short while ago, we were tracking with some of our party leaders there. The response was very good, it seems. But let's see.
Boko, you have a chance, it appears.
We are hoping.
Also in...
yeah, in Hablong also we are hoping to get through.
So you're confident that you'll be able to open the account?
We are hoping, keeping our fingers crossed.
Only I think almost over, I think, the polling. So what is the trend?
I don't have the figure with me now. I was also watching news channel, so I have to